TikTok Shop, let's talk about it. You've probably seen online people super happy about the sales that they're getting, but let's be honest, is it real? Do you trust it? Do you think it's that easy to make money online? Well, in this video, I'll be breaking down everything there is about TikTok Shop. I'll be going through the setup, the pros and cons, product listing, and how to actually get sales through TikTok Shop. And if you enjoy this type of content, business, side hustles, making money online, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one. What is TikTok Shop and why should you care? So TikTok Shop is basically a built-in marketplace. You can sell products directly inside the app. You don't need a website, Shopify, or none of that. Someone sees your video, likes what you're selling, clicks the link and buys it straight away. And the reason it's so powerful is because TikTok already have the attention. They get billions of views every single day. And if your product fits what people are watching, you can blow up very, very fast. So if you're trying to start a small brand, test a product, or just make an extra income online, this is a platform you should definitely be paying attention to. The reality of TikTok Shop. Now here's the thing, it's not as easy as making those viral videos that you see blow up online. Yes, people are making money, but there's a lot of consistency when it comes to posting. Some videos will get no views, some may take off, that's just part of it. The key here is volume. The more you post, the more chances you're giving yourself to actually get sales and potentially blow up. And TikTok rewards people who keep showing up. How to set up an account. So setting up an account is very simple. You just need to go to the TikTok Seller Center, choose if you're signing up as a seller or an affiliate, upload your ID and your business information, and then you can list your first product. That section roughly takes around 10 minutes. And once you're approved, you can start linking your product straight away to your videos and your lives. Volume is the aim of the game. When we talk about volume, I mean post as much as possible. You need to try out different styles, unboxing, point of views, before and afters, testing the products. The algorithm on TikTok loves activity. So if you post every day, you start building momentum. If you post once a week, you may struggle to grow. Affiliate marketing. So if you're struggling to actually find products to sell online, then that is no problem at all. TikTok Shop also offer affiliate marketing. Instead of actually selling products that you may have found elsewhere, what you would do is pick a product from the affiliate marketplace, make content around it, and earn commission every time someone buys through your link. And in my opinion, this is also a very great way to start selling because you're able to test what products that actually work. You're also building skills of how to actually sell products, and you're also building confidence of selling products. TikTok rewards consistency. Honestly, I cannot repeat this enough. TikTok loves consistency. It rewards people who show up regularly. So the same thing applies to your shop. If you're consistent, your videos will start to get pushed more and more. But please, if your first few videos do not blow up or don't get the views that you expect, do not stop. You need to build momentum, and over time you will see your videos will start to pick up. This platform literally rewards you for showing up. Views versus value. So I've been selling on TikTok Shop for 10 months now. And one thing that I actually learned is that views do not equal sales. I know if you was making personal branding or you was doing your own personal content, views is very important and engagement. But here it's a different ball game. You can have products that have 100,000 views and have no sales. So this is why value is so important. You need high quality videos so that you can demonstrate the product that you want your potential buyer to buy. You need to make them feel like they actually need this product. And that way you can demonstrate this through your videos, making high quality content and ensure that when you do get massive views, you also get a lot of sales. Affiliates can blow up your shop. This here is a massive one. Affiliates can seriously help grow your store. There are creators out there who are literally waiting to promote products. So once your listings are live, make sure you open them to affiliates, offer decent commissions, and let the people help you sell. You'll be surprised at how fast you can seriously scale using this method. Going viral, either a blessing or a curse. Look, don't get me wrong, going viral is amazing, but it could also be a very serious problem when it comes to your TikTok shop. The reason being is that you can run out of stock very fast. So before you intend to go viral, I guess we'll never know when you actually go viral, but make sure you have your stock ready, because at any moment with TikTok, your product can start flying out. You can start be getting a lot of sales. So you need to make sure you either have a very good supplier who can send products to you very fast, or just make sure you have enough stock to prepare for when you do go viral. Payouts and shipping challenges. For new sellers, TikTok pays out every 15 days after delivery. So you may make your sale once they've received the package and they're happy, that's when your 15 days will start. And with this can cause some problems with cash flow. Another issue is shipping. You have a 3-day window to send your product, and this could cause problems for people who potentially make handmade goods, as you would need to have that product already ready so that you can ship it out within the 3-day window. The reason why you need to fulfill these orders very quickly is because TikTok Shop have a tier list, and the better seller you are, improves your score, improves how much TikTok actually pushes you out once you've made a few sales. TikTok Shop support. All right, I'm going to be 100% real here. TikTok Shop support isn't the best right now. The reason is, I think, is that they are still fairly new, and trying to actually get to speak to someone about an issue you may have isn't the greatest. You're faced with a lot of bots and you don't actually get to speak to a real person. So my advice would be just to make sure that your listings are very simple, they are very clear, and your system is very, very tight as well, so that when someone buys your products, you wouldn't need to rely on TikTok Shop support at all. Product listings that actually work. When it comes to listings, keep it clean and simple. Good photos, clear titles, and short descriptions to explain why someone should buy. Don't overcomplicate it. TikTok is not Amazon. People are scrolling, they want quick visual information and not a whole essay. The pros and cons of TikTok Shop. All right, so let's sum this up. So the pros of actually selling on TikTok is that you can go viral overnight. You can literally blow up your store, and if you're consistent, you will see a change. A con to that is that the support is a hit and miss. The payouts are very delayed. And if you're someone who doesn't have the time to post regularly or doesn't actually make content, it might not be something for you. But in all honesty, I really think that TikTok Shop is the best platform right now to get started as a beginner, especially in this day and age where everybody's making content, everybody's filming something. We've all got the best phones. You can literally make so much money based on you filming a product that you're interested in and get some sales. So there we go. That's my breakdown of TikTok Shop, how it works, what to expect, and how to get started the right way. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and also comment on what you would like to know next.